my channel, and today we're going to be learning the treble stitch or the triple stitch. So first you're going to make your slip stitch. Then we're going to make a foundation chain of 10 stitches or 10 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now that we have our 10 chains, we are not going to go into the first 4 chains. Those count as our turning chain. We're going to go in the 5th chain from the hook. So wrap your yarn over your hook twice, go into that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that is a treble stitch. We're going to do that again, all the way down. So, once again, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and the last 2. We're going to do this all the way down, and I'll meet you at the end. Now that we've made it all the way down, we are going to make 3 chain stitches for our turning chain. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to turn our work, go into the first chain from the hook, not our foundation right there, but our first chain. 1, 2, go through both, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2, and 2. Wrap your yarn around twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Go all the way down. And there you have it, the triple crochet or the treble crochet. Thanks for watching. Take care and happy crocheting. Till next time.